Hello students, welcome to lesson 7. Let's start with the title. The title for this lesson is Hum Hotel Mein Hain. Alright, the word hotel is very common in Hindi as well. That's why I used it as it is. Who is in the hotel? We are in the hotel. In the last lesson, we saw that our school is sending a group of students to participate in a competition, and our class teacher Raju is traveling with this group along with 2 other teachers. This group is at the hotel reception now and they are collecting their room keys. Let's see how the conversation between the receptionist and the school teachers is going. There are 5 sentences in this lesson. I will read out these sentences very slowly for you. Try to listen and repeat after me. One more thing, I will explain the singular and plural forms of a noun in this lesson, so it will require a special attention from you guys. The first question the receptionist is asking is, Namaskar ji, aapke kitne kamare hain? Namaskar ji, aapke kitne kamare hain? And Raju responds, जी 5 कमरे हैं. जी 5 कमरे हैं. Third sentence is again a question. आप कितने लोग हैं? आप कितने लोग हैं? And the answer is 2 छात्र, 4 छात्राएं, 1 अध्यापक और 2 अध्यापिकाएं हैं. I'll repeat again. 2 छात्र, 4 छात्राएं, 1 अध्यापक और 2 अध्यापिकाएं हैं. Fifth and final is लीजिए. लीजिए आपकी चाबियां. लीजिए आपकी चाबियां. Now let's discuss the grammar, the new words we used in this lesson, and the structure behind these sentences. The first sentence is Namaskar ji, aapke kitne kamare hain? Namaskar ji, aapke kitne kamare hain? Now let's discuss the grammar and the structure used in this sentence. I will remove the camera so that we can have more space for writing the notes. Right? The sentence is Namaskar ji. First, the receptionist is greeting Raju. Namaskar is a greeting more formal than Namaste. Alright? This is the greeting you will find in news readings and sophisticated staff meetings. Ji, the receptionist is using Ji for Raju to show some respect, right? आपके कितने कमरे हैं? कमरा, we know, is a noun, means room in singular, and in its plural form it is kamre. So the rule is all the masculine nouns ending with a in their plural forms, they will end with a. We have already seen bacha becomes bacche and gana becomes gane. Alright? Now, aapke and kitne. These 2 adjectives change their form also. Change their forms. Why? Because they will change their form according to the noun. And noun is in plural, that's why aapka in singular becomes आपके in plural, and kitna in singular becomes kitne in plural. Kitna is how much, masculine singular. Kitne, how many, for masculine plural. Then for feminine, kitni and kitni, both singular and plural remain same. How much for singular, and how many for plural. So the question is, how many rooms are yours, or how many rooms you have booked? And the answer is जी 5 कमरे हैं. जी 5 कमरे हैं. जी 5. 5 is 5. कमरे, rooms. So we have booked 5 rooms. There are 5 rooms, right? Now let's discuss the third, fourth and fifth sentences. The third sentence is, आप कितने लोग हैं? आप कितने लोग हैं? Log, we know, people. So the receptionist is asking Raju, how many of you are there? How many of you are there? Alright? And the answer is दो छात्र. दो we know is 2, so it must be plural. And छात्र, it is a new word for you, meaning boy or male student. छात्र remains same in both singular and plural. The rule 2 is, all the masculine nouns except those ending with a remain same in their plural forms. Alright, so छात्र will remain छात्र. Similarly, अध्यापक will remain अध्यापक in plural as well. But feminine, 4 छात्राएं. 4 छात्राएं. 4 girls or female students. Singular is chhatra. Chhatra, a feminine noun ending with a. So, rule number 3, a feminine noun ending with a, in its plural it will be ending with aye. Similarly, adhyapika, a feminine noun, a female teacher. The plural of this will be adhyapikaye. Aye. Again, adhyapikaye. And last and final sentence is, लीजिए आपकी चाबियां. लीजिए आपकी चाबियां. Again, a new word for you, chabi. Chabi is a key, feminine, right? The plural of this will be chabiyan. Rule number 4 will be all the feminine nouns ending with long E will end with, in their plural forms, they will end with ya. E will be short and ya, ya. Other nouns, beti. Beti is a daughter. Plural will be betiyan. Betiyan, daughters. The long E is written like this and the short E is written to the left, betiyan, right? And the last and final, the sentence is not there, but I will explain this rule. Other feminine nouns ending with a consonant. Example, guy. Guy is a cow. In its plural, it will be gaye. A will be added. So, I have explained to you all the 5 rules, how we can convert singular nouns into plural. Alright, now we will see the exercise. Try to do it yourself and later you can match your answers with mine. I'll see you. So let's translate these 5 sentences into English. I'm going to write their translations first and then we will discuss the grammar behind these translations. Ram has 2 daughters. There are 4 rooms in the house. And then there are 10 lady teachers in the school. These are Hindi books. These are Kalu's cows. Now, Ram ki. Ram's, as we know, he shows possession. Do is 2. Beti is daughter, singular, and betiyan, feminine noun ending with long E will be ending with short E and ya, ya. Ram की 2 बेटियां हैं. Ram has 2 daughters. Right? घर में 4 कमरे हैं. There are 4 rooms. कमरा, कमरे, 4 is 4 and घर is house and में is in. There are 4 rooms in the house. School में, in the school, thus is 10. अध्यापिकाएं, अध्यापिकाएं, teachers, lady teachers, female teachers are. There are 10 lady teachers, 10 female teachers in the school. ये हिंदी की. These are हिंदी की, Hindis. Books, kitab. Kitab is a book. Feminine noun. Alright. Ending with a consonant, so the plural will be a. Kitabein. Books. These are Hindi books or Hindi's books. Alright. Hindi books. ये कालू की गायें हैं. These Kalu is a person. These are Kalu's गायें. Again, गाय, cow. Feminine, ending with a consonant. Same rule as kitab. गायें, ending with ए. गायें. These are Kalu's cows. Okay. Now let's see the next. We have to fill in the blanks here. I'm going to write the answers first. Now, ये सब, they all, ये सब 10वीं की 10th standards, 10th class students, female students. So, छात्रा ending with a, छात्राएं. Nita और Sita, 2 girls. Raju की, Raju's daughters. Nita and Sita are Raju's daughters. यहाँ एक, केला is a banana. Masculine noun. एक is one. There is one banana. Kela will be kela. Raju or John. Raju and John, 2 male teachers. School में अध्यापक. अध्यापक male teachers. The noun is not ending with a. Masculine noun not ending with a. So Raju or John school में अध्यापक हैं, remain same. वे गायें. गाय feminine noun comes गायें. And केला and plural masculine noun ending with a, so केले खाती हैं. These cows eat bananas, right? So these were the 2 exercises. You can take help of translation and explanation notes, and also grammar. I have put all the rules. I have listed all the rules here in the grammar notes. You can take help of these notes if you are still confused about the rules. Let's revise. Masculine nouns ending with a, plural, they will end with a. Masculine nouns not ending with a will remain same in their plural forms. Feminine nouns ending with a will end with ae. Feminine nouns ending with e will be ending with ya. Beti, betiyan. Alright? And then feminine nouns ending with a consonant will end with a. These are the 5 rules. I'll see you in the next